Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, in our previous lecture, we were talking about the vector class, in which I told you about the what are vectors, and I told you that vectors can be considered as dynamic arrays. Now, the vector class is actually this class belongs to the utility package, util package, Java. And in Java we have studied about ready-made packages. Util package was one of them. So similarly, like vector class, which belongs to the Java util package, similarly random class belongs to the same package. When you are going to use a random class in your program, you will import the util package for your Java programming. Okay, so what is a random class? It is the built-in class, and it is available to you whenever you are going to generate any random value in your program. If a random value in your program, random value is any value that is automatically generated by your Java random class. This type of value is usually required in our real world system simulation problems. We use this random class whenever you are going to implement real world applications. So sometimes we need this a random value to test some conditions, and to test our program. We need some random values, and whenever you are going to solve some statistics problem, so you can use a random class for that in order to generate a certain random value. Okay, so the random class allows you to generate a random value. It could be double, it could be float, it could be int और long numbers. Okay, यानी इसका जो डेटा टाइप है इनमें से कोई भी हो सकता है. आप रैंडम क्लास के थ्रू डबल, फ्लोट, इंट और लॉन्ग कोई भी रैंडम वैल्यू जो है वो जनरेट कर सकते हैं if you want to use it. This can be very helpful if you are building a simulation of real world system. As I told you that if you are going to use some real world problems, some statistical problem, then you will need some random values for your program. Okay, so that class you can use it with them. Okay, this class provides the following constructors. Here are two types of constructor in this class: random with no argument and random with long start. Okay, so these are the two constructors. You can create your random variables, random class objects by using these two constructors of the class. Okay, and here you will have a long start. Long start is actually the initialization of your random value, or your, from where you are going to start your random value. Okay, so okay, now here in this class you are having different kinds of methods. Look at it here. Double, next double. Next double is a method in this random class which generate a double value. It will generate a random value, but it will be of type डबल. ओके, इसका जो डेटा टाइप होगा वो क्या होगा, वो डबल वैल्यू होगी. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट इज next float. It is also a method of the random class, and it will generate a float value whenever you want to generate a certain float random value. And next is double next Gaussian. This is also a method in this class, and it is used for the Gaussian distribution with the mean value of 0 and the standard deviation of 1. Okay, so you can use this whenever you are want to calculate some statistical problems in your program. So you can calculate the Gaussian method. You can use the Gaussian method in your program. Next is int, next int. It will generate a random value of type int. and next is next long, it will generate a certain random value of long. Okay, so you are having so these are some methods from your random class for your explanation. You can use them. Let us have a look on some practical portion of this use of how you can use a random in your program. Here you are having a programming code. Look at it. You have declared an object. Here it is, we have declared an object rain of type random. It is an object of the random class. Okay, by calling a new random constructor. Random is the constructor we are calling. Now here you can see a for loop. Within the for loop there is here you can see a println statement. Now look at it, rain dot next int. Now you are calling the next in method of the random class in order to generate, and now you are calling this this loop is running for 4 times. Okay, I is less than 5, so it will run 4 times. Now here look at it, the output of this, you are having all the some random values, each in each iteration आपको एक न्यू रैंडम वैल्यू प्रोड्यूस होके नज़र आ रही है, एंड इट इज़ रैंडम, बिल्कुल कोई इसके दूसरे एक दूसरे से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, ठीक है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि इट कुड बी इवन नेगेटिव भी हो सकती हैं, ठीक है। एक तो और ऑल टाइप ऑफ टाइप क्या है, इंट है, ठीक है। तो इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ एनी रैंडम वैल्यू इन योर प्रोग्राम and you want to generate it automatically, you can use the random class in your program. Okay, so this was a little code for the. Now here in the at the top line you can see import java.util. I told you before that this random class is actually available in the util package. Okay, and with the dot star means you are what you are importing all the packages available in this util class. Okay, so random is one of them. I hope you will understand the concept of the random numbers and random class. Okay, try to implement it. Okay, thank you.